is it? This is for you. Come here. Should we try this on you? That's a good boy. What do you think, Remi? Can we see the bird? It's a bit wonky. There we go. Remi, stop trying to eat the bell. Stop trying to eat the bell. Come here. Remi, come here. Come here. You silly boy. Oh my goodness, so handsome. You're too feisty. So we've got Remi a collar. This is his first ever collar. And it has a little bell on it so that Mouse can hear him coming, so that he can't sneak up on her anymore. Remi! 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 He's such a happy boy, so purry. Can you show everyone how handsome you are? Oh, so handsome. Come here. Right, can you? No. Can you sit? Sit. Remi. Sit. Good boy. Hey. Remi, sit. Remi, back here. Sit. Sit. Remi. Sit. Almost. You just need to stay there so that we can get a picture. Remi. Sit. Yes. Here you go. There you go. You're a handsome boy, Rem Rem. Good boy. Hello, Mouse. What do you think, Mouse? You can hear him now. So he can't sneak up on you.